What's the meaning of Apsley House? Apsley House. Apsley House.
Apsley House. Apsley House. Apsley House is a grand townhouse located in London, England. Built in the 18th century, it is perhaps best known for its association with the Duke of Wellington, who lived there from 1817 until his death in 1852. The house contains a unique collection of art and artifacts, including many items related to Wellington's military career, as well as fine furnishings and decorative objects. Today, Apsley House is open to the public as a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the aristocracy during the Georgian and Victorian eras.